I can speak English. She can speak English. More person tell me about English language very hard, but I mean things no hard. Anytime, any person, any student, any boys, girl, many time, anywhere, some things well speaking English. I said to me, you are very easy speak English. Only practice, guys. Only practice. Only practice. I mean, grammatical portion do not minds, but known as basic zero. Non what is grammar? Kinds of grammar. Kinds types of grammar. English grammar. यानी first part video may include orthography. But what is etymology? You are construct etymology and known as explained system etymology. Etymology is many words extract system and conversation words. I see say about vocabularies. Word extracts vocabulary. Etymology. Many small words, long words extract this syntax. I think now you etymology, orthography, letters, alphabets, and vowel consonant construct about you known as. Same things about etymology. System etymology system is word sentences structures in many words extract subject and helping verbs. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object and plus other word for use last in punctuation. I mean sentence mean meanings propers. Etymology meanings, logic meanings this present. I think about discuss etymology. Most your life known as etymology extract system. How easy speak English. Thanks for watching. God bless you.